Hello nerds! It's beach day today. And we're not going to just any beach. We're going to Scheveningen because they have a sea life there. And I used to go there as a kid. A lot. And I absolutely loved it. However, a few years back, when I revisited that, it was really small and it looked very old and crumbly. However, we're gonna try again because now they have an Animal Crossing event. So there's an Animal Crossing search thing. Seems a bit like Treasure Hunt, and you can meet Tom Nook, which sounds absolutely amazing. And I just really want to go there again. Then we can hang out on Scheveningen because, you know, that used to be my area. Maybe visit The Hague again. And we're gonna have a lovely summer day out of it. But we're not just going to visit Tom Nook. We're also gonna read the Animal Crossing manga. I've been following a lot of Animal Crossing YouTubers, especially Melissa. I'll link her down below. And they all made me want to play Animal Crossing again, but also read the manga because there is so much backlore to every character in Animal Crossing, and I don't know any of it because, you know, I just started playing with New Horizons. I didn't even start in pandemic, so, you know, I just hope I get some of the background from this manga, and that would be fabulous. So it's gonna be an Animal Crossing theme day, and I hope you'll enjoy it. We're back! So we went to Sea Life for the Animal Crossing adventure. And I love the poster. I had to fold it to carry it. It's such a shame. And then you could get stamps everywhere. And I love it. I do intend to hang this maybe. It's you know, it's cute. I like it. They had this other thing that, you know, you had to answer questions, and obviously bladders is there for you. They had these boards with bladders on it, and they, you know, he was explaining all the stuff that was in the exhibits, which I loved. It was such a fun day. And then I met Tom Nook. I might accidentally have agreed to another loan for another house, so great, Tom, thank you. And then on the beach, I could actually read the Animal Crossing manga. It was such a relaxing, but also mostly fun day. However, the manga, I don't know. I put them immediately all in my cart. However, I didn't really get a lot of the backstory that I wanted. It does start with people finding the island. They're kind of annoying, to be fair. And we did get a bit of Raymond, but not a lot of the other, you know, animals you want to find and, you know, make them live on your island. I did not get any backstory on Tom Nook, and I really wanted that. And it did say that this was from Goofy Residence, Living Monaco. I don't, maybe the animal guide. There was an animal guide in the back, and that had Tom Nooks and bladders. Maybe that's what they were referring to. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with this, but I had fun this day for what it was, you know, and it was just a fun day. So this was a very short video. I hope you liked it nonetheless. This was also my only summary video because I could not put it on time, and I could not film really in summer. So it's September now, which means autumn, which means spooky season. I thrive in spooky season. So yeah, still not sure if I can upload regularly every time I think I can, and it turns out I can't. So I'm not gonna make any more promises. I will try. However, I'm also behind on the spooky stuff. I have a big event planned, so I will, if I can film, I'll try to catch up on that. So there is a big chance that my videos are going to be irregular in September, but I hope I come back very strong in October. So if you like this video or want to see more of the spooky stuff, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, nerds!